Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. And seeing as this is the first time I've done it, we'll just have a look. So I'm assuming, let's see, we've got tune, volume, and so on. So we'll try that. That's handy. There's looks like a sort of two cogs there. You've got radio and Bluetooth. Now then, will it move from here? Yes, it does. So we turn to Bluetooth there. Click OK. OK's on the end. Tune and OK. Bluetooth. Add Bluetooth device. View Bluetooth devices. So we'll click View Bluetooth device. See Barry's iPhone there. Turn the rotary control. Select. Click OK. You've got Connect, Delete, Device Information. So we want Delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 10. Yeah, I've just gone through all those flipping maneuvers, so not to delete it. So that's it. So that's it deleted.